Have chargebacks ever been a problem for your business? Want to stop worrying about them? Then pay attention. This video shows what changed.
Chargeback prevention has changed. The goal is no longer just winning disputes. It is stopping avoidable disputes before they start.
Rule 1. Make every charge recognizable at the source.
Rule 2. Treat transaction data as evidence from day one. Device, delivery, identity, and purchase history can matter later.
Rule 3. Move upstream. Real-time dispute alerts can create a window to pause fulfillment, refund appropriately, and avoid escalation.
Rule 4. Use network evidence before the fight. Visa and MasterCard are expanding data sharing tools aimed at friendly fraud. Rule 5. Automate the routine, not the judgment. Fast workflows surface the right records while humans handle exceptions and customer nuance.